Hi and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Trello for your social media planning. So as always, the first thing you want to do is log into your Trello account. Alright, and if you haven't already signed up, you sign up and then you log in into your Trello account. Trello is one of the easiest tools to use when organizing your social media content planning. It helps you plan, to track, and to collaborate with your team in one simple visual workspace. Follow this guide to set up your full social media planning system in a few minutes. So the first thing you want to do is create a new Trello board. So head over to create board over here, click on that, and then we'll create our Trello board. All right, so name it something like social media calendar or content planner for December, whatever you want to name it that would be unique and that you can easily identify. So I would name this board social media planner. All right, okay. So and I'll make it visible, make it public, and then I will create my board. All right, so this is the board template I would want to use. So I can go ahead to change the background picture if I want to, but I'll just stay with this. So the next thing you want to do is to set up your workflow list. Trello organizes tasks using lists. So what you want to do now is to create lists that would represent the stages of your content production. So let's say I want to create lists such as ideas. So I want to create it as content drafts. Content drafts. All right, and I want to create my second list as scheduled post. All right, then I want to create the next list as published, and then I want to create the next one as ready to post. All right, so these are list of lists that I can generate on Trello to make my work much more organized. It helps track where each post is at a glance. So the next thing I want to do is create cards for each of these content piece. So I can decide to, for content draft, I can decide to create a card such as say Facebook, and then the next one Instagram, and the next one TikTok, or whichever social media planner you're working with or platform you're working with. You can decide to tag it IG reel or scheduled post. Let's say we want to tag this IG reels. All right, want to tag the next one YouTube short. You can go ahead to tag your card based on whatever you're working with. All right, so that's one. You can go ahead to add cards for the publish and ready to post, whichever way you want to have it. So let's head over to edit our card to make it much more simplified. So I'll edit my Facebook card and I'll open it. Over here you can see that you have a list of options that you can work with, such as add, labels, dates, checklists, and members. So for add, I can decide to add labels, such as we'll edit this label to tag it hashtags. All right, hashtags, and then we'll pick a specific color. So whenever we see that color, we know what we are working with. So let's pick purple color, and then we'll save that. That label is created. Say we want to tag this other one due date, due date. All right, create that label, and then we'll give it a color and create. All right, so we can decide to pick these labels for Facebook, and it will appear over here. As you can see, you can decide to add as many labels as possible You can decide to tag them different things to make it much more simplified for you. You can head over here to decide to add the dates where you want to make your social media post on Facebook. All right, you can set the start date, the due date. You can decide to schedule and save. Or you can try to add members of your team to make the work much more simplified so they can have access to this particular card and post on your social media platform. You can decide to attach specific content calendars that you're working with over here. All right, you can attach a file from your computer. You can paste the link over here. However you want to have it, and simply click on insert, and that will be created. So this is one way to work on Facebook. When we head over here, you can see that that is created on our content graph. To schedule posts, we can head over to IG Reels over here and open this card like we did in the last one, and then set up all of these. You can decide to add a description. Let's say we add the label. Let's create a label for this IG Reel. Let's say scheduled post. Scheduled post. All right, I decide to add this label for IG Reel. I decide to add checklists to this. All right, you can decide to add members. You can decide to add attachments, whatever you want to do to make it much more simplified and easy for you to access. So this is how you can use Trello for your social media planning to make it seamless and easy for you. And do not forget, you can add your team members to your social media planner to make it seamless, to make them easily reachable, to make everything easily reachable for you and your team. Trello is one of the best applications that you can use for your social media planning, and I hope that you will download Trello today and make use of it. Until I see you in the next video, I hope you learned how to use Trello for your social media planning. Bye for now.